Nest Renew helps you play a part in the fight against climate change, right from your home. Nest Renew is free to join for customers with compatible Nest thermostats. It estimates when the electricity on your grid is cleaner and when it's not so clean. And it works with your compatible Nest thermostat to help you automatically prioritize usage of cleaner or less expensive energy. By using Renew features, you can also earn leaves that help you track your positive actions. And when you earn enough leaves to reach a milestone, you can extend your positive impact by helping direct Nest Renew funds to nonprofit partners working on community projects across the country. To make an even bigger positive impact, you can join Nest Renew Premium for just $10 a month, which comes with Clean Energy Match. It pays for renewable energy credits that match the fossil fuel electricity used in your home, with enough clean energy to cover the average U.S. household. That supports the growth of clean energy, which is not only good for you, but for the whole planet. Nest Renew from Google, supporting a clean energy future right from your home.